my friends. I'm Simba. Do you remember this key? I found it at the end of our last adventure, and ever since then, I haven't stopped thinking about it. Look! Did you see that? The key is glowing again. Not just glowing, it's almost alive.
Every key opens something. A box, a door, a secret. But what does this key open? Wait! I think I found a clue. Look at that light. It's trying to show us a path. This path wasn't here before. Do you think we should follow it? Well, there's only one way to find out.
Wow. Look at this bridge. It looks very old. But somehow, I think it's waiting for us. My friends, being brave doesn't mean being careless. Let's check if it's safe first.
Good news! The bridge is safe. Sometimes a little patience saves a lot of trouble. I've never seen a forest like this. Everything is glowing. It's beautiful and a little mysterious. Shh! Did you hear that? I think the forest is trying to tell us something. Do you know something interesting? Knowledge is the key. The more we learn, the more adventures we can unlock. Wait! What's that? It's huge! Much bigger than anything we've seen today. The closer we get, the stranger this adventure becomes. And I love it! No way! That's not a wall. That's a door. This is the biggest door I've ever seen. Who built it? And why hide it here? This is the biggest door I've ever seen. Who built it? And why hide it here? The key is glowing faster now. I think it has finally found something.
Look! A lock. And I think I know exactly which key belongs there. My friends, once we open this door, there may be no turning back.
The key is ready. The door is ready. But are we ready?
What do you think is behind this door? A secret? A treasure? Or a whole new world? We'll discover it together in our next adventure.
Remember, my friends, one word, one sentence, one story. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next adventure.